Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with iPhone speaker. So for doing this you just need to take your ear cleaner and just rubbing some alcohol to this dynamic, or without alcohol, just by clean earth cleaner, and just clean this to this dynamic and speaker. So in some cases it help you, but sometimes you can also check your settings. So just go to the settings, and in settings you need to go to sounds and haptics. Also you need to click on plus on your sound control, because sometimes you can just choose just make it low or just turn it off, and you can't your sound will be low. Another thing, you just need to check if you turn on your sound mode, you don't choose silent mode. And also here you can also check all the things with your speaker. So maybe you just automatically choose another things, and that's why you choose some low mode, silent mode, and it can works not perfect, not loud. So just check this sound haptics, and I hope I help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.